This is the fruit of Peruvian Tianlin pillar. Peruvian Tianlin pillar is native to South America. From a distance, its fruit look like pink apples. That's why it's also called Peruvian apple. Its fruit is like dragon fruit, but it has a sandy texture. Its taste is mildly sweet, with some sourness.
How to plant and care for roses. When the leaves of the rose grow to this extent, you need to use potassium dihydrogen phosphate. 1 spoonful of spray liquid mixed with 2 pounds of water. Use it once a week and you see the branches are densely covered with flower buds. Because roses need a lot of phosphorus to bloom, like the hydrangea, Gardenia osmanthus, bougainvillea, etc. At home, all flowering and fruiting plants can be used.
What is this fungus? This is chanterelles, delicious, tastes like chicken. This is red dragon head fungus, smell of rotten meat. This is yellow mugwort head, porcini mushrooms for sashimi. This is Hericium arenacos, fragrant and delicious, good taste. This is the old man's head fungus with a glutinous and smooth texture, fresh, crisp and delicious. This is pine cone boletus, soft and tender taste. This is wild oyster mushroom, crisp texture, smooth and delicious.
It is very important to manage tomatoes after they bloom. That is to remove the side branches. Remember the following 3 points. First, remove the side branches of tomatoes. Remove the growth points between the leaves. The second point is to remove the side branches in the morning on a sunny day to avoid diseases. The third point is to remove the side branches after the tomatoes bloom. Continue until the result. This operation is to avoid tomatoes no fruit.